Hi everybody, David Lewis here. And today I want to talk to you about a problem that we all struggle with, and it just kills our deals and our grosses. We've gone out there, we've made a great presentation and demonstration, we've selected the right car, we've gone on a demo ride, we've done all the right things, and the customer is sitting at our desk. Now we know the customer is defensive. They came into the dealership very defensive. Sure, we lowered it a little bit, made them feel comfortable with us, but they still have some form of a defensive posture. Now they're sitting at our desk, and we're going to do the worst thing we can possibly do. We're going to leave them alone. We're either going to leave to go get them a cup of coffee or a soft drink. We're going to leave to maybe go get some numbers or figures for them. And what happens? They are going to talk. They are going to regroup. They are going to come up with a new game plan. They might talk themselves out of buying the car or talk themselves out of making a decision today. And this is the worst thing you can do. What you need to do is you need to give them something to occupy their time. And I'm going to give you two ideas. Number one, an evidence manual. It's an old school technique. It's just a binder that has letters and emails and pictures that people can flip through. Letters from customers that had a great experience, pictures of your family, your trips, vacation, whatever it may be, you need to give them something that they can look at. Or number two is if you have a tablet or something that has videos on them, pop it open and have them watch some sort of video that you might have, something funny or entertaining that will keep them occupied. The idea is you do not want them regrouping strategy when you walk away. It's something we have to do. We try not to, but every time you leave that customer alone, you are going to lose. You are not going to win. So come up with something to keep them occupied. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.